weight. I gained like 20 kilos. I was that unfit. मुझे नहीं पता था कि yoga was much more than the physical postures you do.
Like yoga is about exercise or maybe meditation. So what
Yes.
exactly yoga is?
So I started with yoga and I went to Rishikesh, as I told you, train like a woman and eat like a woman.
So far, how many people have you trained? Do you believe in feminine or masculine energy?
100%.
Earning for bread and butter, they are taking care of the family, taking care of the kids, taking care of themselves as well.
Men are only supposed to be in the kitchen and ऐसे करके.
Girls are making them princesses because they are like, हम ये भी कर लेंगे, ये भी कर लेंगे, everything we can do.
The basic to start is सबने सुना होगा सूर्य नमस्कार. Like pregnant women. I've heard a lot of stories like people getting miscarriages because of doing it. Yoga में बोलते हैं कि the breathing, the breath is the powerful thing only. तो how can we underestimate? Like in our body, the hip part stores, like which is called the Mooladhara chakra, it stores a lot of stress. And I've seen with the proper breath work technique and then doing it, I've seen a lot of people crying as well. Maybe like if they have any bad relationship, marriage or anything which do not feel more protected from their partners or anything, they are like really tight from their hips.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Unfolding Wisdom. And today's episode has a special theme which is called Coming Back to Yourself. I have with me Muskan. She is a yoga coach for last 4 years and she has been practicing yoga for last 5 years. So in this conversation, we will unveil so many truths or realities of yoga that we as a human or as an Indian might not be aware about. I think we will learn a lot of things from Muskan because in today's life where a lot of stress, anxiety is there, yoga is something which can provide us stillness or calmness inside out. So let's start with Muskan and like, share and comment and subscribe this channel if you feel that this podcast helped you in any way. Thank you. Hi Muskan.
Hello.
Welcome to the second episode of our season 2 and thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much. I'm very excited for this.
Okay, so Muskan, tell me, let's start with yoga, straightforward, but I would like to know that who were you before the yoga? Like, what was the prior journey?
So before yoga or like before I was a very unfit person, तो मैं कोई भी exercise, I didn't know about health, fitness or anything. So it's just I was a very thin person. So एक होता है ना कि आपके सबके मन में mindset होता है कि आपके अगर ऐसी बॉडी है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है कुछ. Unless and until PCOD triggered and I gained a lot of weight. I gained like 20 kilos and that was the time like तब मुझे realize हुआ no कि something is off in my body. तो corona happened and as everybody were exercising and all तो मैंने भी सोचा कि मैं भी exercise करती हूँ. So that's how I started yoga. तो तब मुझे पता चला like as my yoga journey began and we'll dive into it of course. तो वैसे धीरे धीरे मुझे पता चला कि नहीं कि ज़रूरी नहीं है how you look, that doesn't define like how fit you are. So I was like very thin, like how people presume ना कि आप अगर पतले होगे तो यही healthy body type है या नहीं है. But as soon as I started teaching also तब मुझे पता चला कि नहीं भाई, how you look doesn't define you actually कि कौन fit हो या कैसे हो. So that's how I was a very unfit person, very lethargic and all, and that was me before yoga.
So this was when you were a student?
Yeah, I was in college.
Okay. And what happened afterwards? Like how you came into the yoga coaching and how it all happened?
So it was not planned at all. सबकी तरह मुझे भी ऐसी था कि I'll get a placement and work a 9 to 5 job. तो जैसे लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि ऐसी job, corporate world is this. I didn't know about anything कि क्या होएगा क्या नहीं होएगा. It was just कि मैंने कोरोना में बस शुरू कर लिया योगा. And the second day of my yoga class also, I felt so nausea कि मैंने पहले ही I like puked because I was that unfit. और मेरे लेफ्ट किडनी में भी स्टोन होता था तो वो भी नेचुरली चले गया था क्योंकि उस टाइम हम डॉक्टर्स के पास नहीं जा सकते थे. सो दैट आई वॉज लाइक कि अच्छा कि लाइक दिस इज समथिंग गुड. एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि योगा वॉज मच मोर देन द फिजिकल पॉस्चर्स यू डू. तो मैं करती गई एंड आफ्टर माई 6 months इंटर्नशिप इन अ फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी हियर इन बद्दी ओनली, तो मैं उसके अगले नेक्स्ट मंथ जैसे ही वो खत्म हुई, आई वेंट टू ऋषिकेश एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि ओह दिस इज समथिंग आई डू नॉट वांट टू लीव, कि ये तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है एंड इट इज़ सच अ बिग थिंग एंड it is just not the physical asan part what you do.
Okay, so as you said, like yoga is not only about exercise. So बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि yoga is about exercise or maybe meditation. So what
Yes.
exactly yoga is?
एक्चुअली लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता है कि योगा का पार्ट ही मेडिटेशन है. उनको मेडिटेशन अलग लगता है एंड व्हाट पीपल थिंक इज योगा इज जस्ट द फिजिकल पोस्चर्स, कि आपको फ्लेक्सिबल होना है और आपको बस शेप्स में से लाइक मुड़ना है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट योगा इज. बट आई थिंक इट हैज अ डीपर मीनिंग टू इट. दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन यू डू योगा यू फील अ लॉट ऑफ पीस, अ लॉट ऑफ काम, बिकॉज यू कनेक्ट टू योर बॉडी. बिकॉज अगर आप कभी मैं नहीं करी तो आई डेंट नो व्हाट इज लाइक बॉदरिंग मी, कि क्या हो रहा था मेरी बॉडी के साथ. एक सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन होती है कि क्या इंटरनली वॉज लाइक हैपनिंग इन माई बॉडी, और जिसको मैंने करके इतना ज़्यादा बेनिफिट करा. सो फॉर मी योगा इज समथिंग that which helps you to connect with your body and gives you peace mentally and physically.
So you were not a peaceful person before?
Not exactly what you call is like, you become more calmer doing it. अगर अभी like how you feel, but as you connect through your breath and you focus, your concentration like becomes stronger, you become more focused. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है whenever you do any asan, you feel a lot of pain in that. And I feel I compare it with the life, right? We have so much ups and downs in life, right? But I use it like metaphorically, कि आपको जैसे आप आसन में रहते हो and you have to be focused and like concentrated, and उसके साथ साथ आपको इतना ज़्यादा like stretch और pain feel हो रहा होता है. And it's like the same in the today's life also. When you want to do anything, if you lack your focus, और आपको कितने ज़्यादा like ups and downs आते हैं life में, but you still keep on going ना, तो वैसे ही एक आसन को अचीव करने में मे बी जस्ट सिंपली वी टॉक अबाउट टचिंग आवर टोज, वी रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस ऑल्सो. एंड इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड अपनी हमारी लाइफ में भी हमें कितनी ज़्यादा पेशेंस चाहिए ही होती है. इट्स लाइक हार्ड वर्क एंड स्मार्ट वर्क एट द सेम टाइम. तो आई कंपेयर इट लाइक द फिजिकल पार्ट ऑफ द योगा लाइक दैट.
Great.
So it helps you become more, that is what they calmer and peaceful.
So in simple words, yoga is something which helps you to connect to your soul maybe, or yourself.
Yes. Yourself sounds much more realistic. Yeah. जैसे soul word आता है, सब लोग बोलते हैं, but मैं कभी इतना ज़्यादा उस पे वो नहीं हो पाई कि like कि कैसे, but I feel like helps to connect with yourself.
Or maybe to get inner peace, you can say that.
Yes.
So I have read it. I mean, when I was a child, that India को योग का गुरु कहा जाता है. Like it originated from here only.
Yes.
And now we see other people, like people from other countries. They are also very conscious about it. They practice yoga. They especially come to India to practice yoga.
100%. Yes.
Right, but we as an Indian, maybe I feel that it's very underrated here.
Yes.
I mean, maybe people will try doing it only when, I mean, maybe they are feeling so frustrated or something is on there, but if we make this as a daily practice, so maybe, our life will be better. What do you think about it? Like, why our people do not take it that seriously, like don't make it a part of our daily life? Why?
It's like I wouldn't blame the people. मैं भी ऐसी थी. I was like that only. So as I told you, I had PCOD. It's like much like better now. So I think I consider it as a blessing in disguise to me only, because if वो नहीं होता तो मैं कभी भी क्या बोलते इस फील्ड में आती ही नहीं. होता ना, जब तक आपको एट द एंड ट्रिगर कुछ नहीं होता ना, देन एक पेन पॉइंट पे नहीं आते आप. और तब जब आप बीमार होते हो आप लास्ट में तभी जाते हो डॉक्टर के पास, जब आपको लगता है कि ओ नो नाउ यू हैव टू गो इट. तो वैसा ही हुआ. आई वेंट टू अ लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स एंड आई रियलाइज इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. So I started with yoga and I went to Rishikesh as I told you, and a lot of foreigners, yes you are right, आते ही वो इसीलिए है because वो यहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ है. पर हमें क्या होता है ना कि हमें अलग, हम जो वो नहीं होता कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, you don't want to do anything which is like there in your place. तो सेम ऐसा हुआ है. एंड आई स्टार्टेड योगा और वहाँ ऋषिकेश में जाके मेरा योगा का परसेप्शन ही जैसे मैंने बताया बदल गया. सो ऑफकोर्स इट हेल्प मी इन माई पीरियड्स एंड ऑल, बट एक टाइम पे मैं फिर स्टक हो गई थी कि लाइक माई पीरियड साइकिल्स वर गेटिंग रेगुलर बट एट वन पॉइंट इट जस्ट गॉट स्टक एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि ऑफकोर्स योगा और एनी एक्सरसाइज और मूवमेंट acts as a catalyst, but you have to like focus on the nutrition also. And if you don't, कि तब it won't work. Like both things have to like work hand in hand. And जैसे ही मैं जब like if I do any movement and also I always tell it to everybody, train like a woman and eat like a woman only, क्योंकि हमारी body बहुत different होती है क्या बोलते हैं मेन से. तो या एंड पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट, स्पेसिफिकली वुमेन ऑल्सो. होता है आप इंटरनेट पे इतना कुछ देख लेते हो एंड व्हाट इज सूटिंग यू डजंट मीन कि आप किसी और को भी वही सेम आपको भी वही सूट कर रहा होगा. तो आई थिंक अगर वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि इफ PCOS वाज नॉट देयर आई वुड हैव नॉट कम इन दिस फील्ड, और मुझे पता ही नहीं होता कि लाइक what it is to actually have a healthy body and how confident you feel when you are genuinely healthy.
Right. Muskan, I would like to know कि yoga you teach to women only or men as well?
So yoga is for everybody. ये एक बहुत बड़ी misconception है. लोगों को लगता है कि it is just for women or the people who are already flexible.
Right.
But it is not like that. Children से लेकर बूढ़े लोगों से at any age anyone can do yoga. बस just some precautions, like किसी को अगर कोई injury है, like some things to avoid, it's just like that. Otherwise it is for everyone. In fact we see a lot of women doing yoga, but like I might be wrong as well, ठीक है. But in my experience कि जब मैं ऋषिकेश भी गई थी, if I've seen like any school, it's just I feel it is again a male centric thing. A lot of teachers there are just males. I'm not saying कि कोई female teacher नहीं होती, but just the percentage wise. So and yes, both genders can do yoga.
So far, how many people have you trained?
I have trained almost 3,000 plus people till now.
In India or abroad?
Globally. So I started with online and now I own a yoga studio in Shimla.
Okay, that's great. So my conception was different. So as you told me that it feels like more males are training, I used to see a lot of female yoga teachers around. I never saw any male training for yoga.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. कि like एक like proper like somebody who helps you in teacher training courses, and if you go to Mysore as well where we teach Ashtanga, or maybe in Rishikesh where I saw it's like a lot of male dominant. South Asian, East Asian countries में भी क्या बोलते हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा teachers की requirement होती है बाहर like योगा के लिए. तो वहाँ से भी mostly क्या बोलते हैं males ही जाते हैं. I don't know the reason why. But yes, and till now also I've learned with all male teachers only. So जैसे South East Asian countries जो होती है तो वहाँ ऐसे तो सब लोग योगा करते हैं. Every country has their own requirement, but particularly I'm talking to them वहाँ extra demand काफ़ी होती है. And what I've seen with my friends where I've also applied to a lot of applications sent, so it's mostly males. I'm not saying like of course people can be better like मेरे से ज़्यादा, but I'm talking about the gender thing. Yeah.
So this is about the teaching, but when it comes to like you have taught yoga to many people and you still do.
Yes.
What about the people who come to you to learn yoga? What is the ratio there? Like more
Honestly,
female?
I have equal ratio. I've never seen like a lot of women in my class or a lot of men. I have like equal ratio, and mostly the people who I train is like early 20s, late 20s, till like late 30s तक मैं सिखाती हूँ. तो मेरे पास हमेशा रेशियो सेम रहती है क्लास में.
Okay, so now my next question is, I have a question, but before that I'll ask you one thing. Do you believe in feminine or masculine energy?
100%. और मुझे लगता है अब एनर्जी से मैं कनेक्ट ही तब हुई जब मैंने योगा शुरू करी, क्योंकि इससे पहले मुझे पता नहीं था. बिकॉज अगेन जैसे हम ना जब स्कूल में भी होते थे योगा स्कूल में, तो हमारी क्लास होती थी एक भक्ति योग की वेयर वी लाइक ऐसे कीर्तन टाइप्स होता था. तो वहाँ ऐसे पता चला कि लाइक वही जो मैं कह रही हूँ कि फिजिकल आसन और मे बी प्राणायाम या मेडिटेशन जो सबको पता होता है, योगा वही नहीं है. सो वी वुड क्लीन आवर रूम्स ऐसे विच इट वाज लाइक इट्स कर्म योग. तो हमसे हमारा योगा हॉल वगैरह भी क्लीन करवा देते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाई जो हमारी योगा फिलोसफी की क्लास होती थी, तो उसमें वी वुड स्टडी अबाउट दिस कर्मा, एनर्जीज, मैस्कुलिन, फीमेल. दैट्स व्हाई जो शिव शक्ति भी जो हम बोलते हैं, इट इज
Right.
ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन एनर्जी ओनली. So I 100% believe
So
in
what
that.
is the difference? I mean,
So like what I feel is कि आजकल like females are getting like it is good to be independent. Of course, I am also an independent woman. But क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि एक हमारी फिर भी like women की एक soft और nurturing side होती ही होती है, which men do not have. And due to like our maybe work culture or anything आजकल इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है that we have stopped, we are becoming so hyper independent. Like independent is good, of course, but yeah, वो हो रहा है like that we are losing that side of femininity.
right. So my next question was that only I have written it. So basically, because nowadays, as you told that, and we all know that women are trying to be, become very independent. That's a good thing as well.
100%.
But in the rush of doing that, they are doing so many things. For example, you are a man and I'm a woman, so there are certain things that you are supposed to, you supposed to do, and there are
100%.
certain things that I supposed to do. But
Yeah.
just in order to prove myself that I am
Yeah.
equal, I am doing some things which are of your parts, and it's
100%.
very stressful.
Yeah.
Because we are some women are like earning for bread and butter. They are taking care of the family, taking care of the kids, taking care of themselves as well. And then they are trying to overachieve the things, and it's very stressful.
एक्चुअली मुझे ना इसके पीछे ऐसा लगता है कि सोसाइटी ने इतना ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि वुमेन को वो कर दिया कि दे आर सरप्रेस कर दिया है, और इतने ज़्यादा मिसोजिनिस्टिक है सब लोग कि दे आर लाइक कि वुमेन आर ओनली सपोज टू बी इन द किचन और ऐसे करके. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू टेक इट्स अबाउट ईगो और एनीथिंग या कुछ भी, बट पहले वुमेन फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती थी, बट अब हो रही है. एंड वो ओवर अचीव इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, क्यों? बिकॉज the equal rights which we talk about is that we want to be treated equally when in the work culture or wherever we go, कि हमें कोई ऐसे ना दिखे कि oh you are a woman तो आपसे कहाँ ही होएगा. In exactly when I do it's not yoga, just any movement, तो ऐसे वो ना एक ऐसे perception हो ही जाता है कि कि ये लड़का ये कर सकता है या इससे हो जाएगा, because men are stronger, जो ऐसे उनकी फिजिक है उसके हिसाब से भी होता है. And as I told you कि in some cases कि chances लड़कों को मिलते हैं लड़कियों से ज़्यादा. तो आई थिंक उस पॉइंट को प्रूव करते करते क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा वो हो चुके हैं that we have forgotten.
Overdoing ourselves,
Yeah.
right? Do you think we should stop now? Because we should let guys do their things, because we should not prove all the time that we can do this, and we are doing their
100%.
job as well. Most of the
100%.
areas.
I think it will be out of context, but क्या बोलते हैं, I am always like if I am in a relationship, अगर मैं पूरे टाइम अगर मैं काम कर रही हूँ, but if I am with a person, I would like to be with my feminine energy. चाहे मैं दरवाजा खुद खोल सकती हूँ, पर मैं चाहूँगी आप ही करो, and I want to be treated like a princess.
Yeah, it feels good, right?
Yeah.
But just because we are proving our point that okay, I can do it, I can
Yeah.
do it, we are doing some things which men are supposed to
do for ourselves. 100%. और मुझे तभी actually I think मुझे लगता है कि आजकल इतनी reels भी आ रही है कि they are the princesses now.
Yeah, but so girls are making them princesses because they are like हम ये भी कर लेंगे, everything we can do. But yeah, so my next question is about that only. So do you think that this part of masculine energy that we as a woman are incorporating to ourselves or bringing to ourselves is making us feel very tired internally?
Yeah, I guess so. Of course, sometimes you get so stressed. I get stressed to achieve so many things, which I think is not wrong, but I think, but men are also not able to understand that why we want that, freedom of it. Because I think because of the patriarchal सोच, we women can only understand because we are women. But जैसे आप बोलते हो कि we are strong, opinionated women, a lot of men can also not take it. Yeah.
Is it true? Do you think?
I have seen, but I'm not men in my case. मेरे को तो ऐसे I'm surrounded with good men, to be very honest. But I have listened to stories and all. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि कभी कभार what I have listened and seen also, at the end they need
Yeah, so same here. I am also surrounded with very supportive men,
Same.
but the thing is, I see a lot of reels about it. So I
Yeah.
feel people make reels about the things which are actually going on.
Yeah, हो सकता है 100%.
Okay. So do you think yoga practice can, so what whenever we are, maybe as a man or woman, we are feeling tired. So how shall we start? I mean, what is the starting point? Because maybe not everybody can go to the studios every day, or maybe they don't even know how to start it.
योगा अगर कोई बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइक जिसको कुछ भी नहीं पता है एक्सरसाइज के बारे में आई थिंक द बेसिक टू स्टार्ट इज सबने सुना होगा सूर्य नमस्कार
Right.
सन सैल्यूटेशन इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉपिंग और सीइंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब आई थिंक द बेसिक जो काफ़ी एंशियंट भी है एंड मोस्टली अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो डू इट
Right.
just do that correctly. It helps you get the mobility, agility, flexibility and strength also and helps you in your breathing as well. अगर आप breath work के साथ करोगे. So the basic thing, just do it. It's like an overall package. Want to lose weight? Do it. Needs flexibility? So just do that.
There is one thing that I have heard about Surya Namaskar. I also used to do it until I was in college. I mean, I used to do it from 6th, 7th class to 12th class. So shall we do it Surya Namaskar before 10 a.m. or something? Like, is it an early morning thing?
सो आई टेल यू कि ऐसे ना बहुत ज़्यादा जो योगिक स्क्रिप्चर्स है दे आर रूल्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा भी है कि यू नो कि आपको आयुर्वेदा के हिसाब से कि आपको 4 hours like you have to be empty stomach to do any exercise and उसके बाद भी but I think वो ज़माना और अब का it's like very different we have like a very fast life and we have other work to do as well so I might not resonate with everybody but I personally feel कि whenever you get time in this like you know your life your busy schedule just do it there is not like a time unless and until you are taking care of what you eat before और कैसा आपको लग रहा है you can do it anytime because I take classes in the evening and as well अब किसी के पास है ही नहीं time तो that doesn't mean you can just stop exercising it's gonna make you more bad of course आपकी movement ही नहीं हो रही है.
So Surya Namaskar is related to praying sun and doing yoga, or is it an independent thing? Like, I used to believe that you need to do it in the sunlight, facing the sun. I mean, and then doing it. That is what I have been taught.
So मेरे को ये नहीं पता तो I won't like you know comment about it but sun salutation it's like you know नमस्कार कर रहे हो आप sun को but ऐसा नहीं है बिकॉज आई हैव डन इट इन माई योगा क्लास एंड ऑल तो वी डू इट इन साइड ओनली ठीक है और ऐसा भी नहीं कौन से डायरेक्शन है बट सम थिंग्स विच आई नो इज ऐसे इसकी एक 108 की साइकिल होती है यू नो 108 इज अ स्पिरिचुअल नंबर इट हैज 12 लाइक
108
ऐसे होता है ना कि आपको 108 बार सूर्य नमस्कार करना है एंड व्हेन यू आप माला भी जपते हो तो 108 बार करते हो एंड यू नो इट हैज अ थिंग एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू डू मेडिटेशन से भी पहले आप सूर्य नमस्कार करते हो यू नो यू गेट द बॉडी आपका क्या बोलते हैं यू नो टू रीच दैट लेवल ऑफ स्टिलनेस एंड यू नो यू गेट बेटर एट इट एंड एक और दे आर 12 steps in the सूर्य नमस्कार the ancient hut surya namaskar the 12 steps are also related to the zodiac signs that yeah I don't have the deep knowledge about it so मैं ऐसा कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं मुझे but मुझे जितना पता है I know like this कि yeah और spiritually तो है ही है of course yoga is that वो अलग बात है कि आजकल काफ़ी modernize हो गया कि a lot of foreigners are doing their way of practicing it and how we used to practice it it's like totally different.
How is it different?
So they mostly focus on the physical aspects. Like if you must have seen a lot of foreigners like come और यहाँ आके वो you know बहुत ही like intrigue हो जाते हैं with the Sanatani dharma, Hinduism and all because when they practice there like maybe it's more of like a physical exercise just like physically to get fit कि आप कर रहे हो like you are you know sweating a lot like focusing on that part but how like our rishi munis and वो क्यों करते थे योगा again जब भी आप योगा की कोई भी आप definition लिखोगे या योगा लिखोगे वही आएगा बॉडी माइंड एंड सोल के साथ जो कनेक्शन होता है तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ हम प्रैक्टिस वही करते थे पर ब्रेथ के साथ सारा कुछ करते थे वो लोग भी करते हैं ऐसा नहीं है बट नाउ मॉडर्न हो रहा है सबके सिखाने का तरीका इज लाइक बिकमिंग वेरी डिफरेंट.
So sometimes we as a human feel anxious or maybe in the rush, which is I think very normal thing these days
100%.
because everybody is you know having this lifestyle where a lot of things are needs to be done. So what do you think, like is there any quick practice that we can follow which can make us calmer at a time?
Yes, I think before जैसे आपने anxiousness बोला, before like people do a lot of pranayam also for like breathing technique. तो of course breathing like box breathing होगी, मैं आपको बताऊंगी यार, you know, normal like breathing you can do it, but some pranayams are supposed to be avoided when you are anxious. That is like Kapal Bharti or Bhastrika. They are like very common. Everybody
Yeah,
must be
I
knowing
know
it.
Kapal Bhati.
है ना? But if you do it when you're anxious, it's gonna generate a lot of heat in your body and it's not gonna help you anytime. You'll feel more bad. Like, मतलब मैं अब ये नहीं कहूँगी कि try करके देखना, but yeah, I've seen people like, you know, pregnant women. I've heard a lot of stories like people getting miscarriages because of doing it when they're pregnant, because it is supposed to be avoided. It is not supposed to be done when you are having your periods as well. Abdominal pain बढ़ जाती है. And जैसे लोग चलते चलते नहीं होते, you see like uncles going in the park and breathing.
Right.
You're not supposed. वही मैं कह रही हूँ ना, the physical part looks extremely difficult, but वो फिर भी अचीव हो जाता है. But breathing is something which all people cannot do, and they think it's like so easy कि चलते भी कर दो, किसी भी टाइम पे कर लो. तो like I have seen people getting heart strokes and all as well. Like coming to the anxious point, the safest thing अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, like I personally feel कि अगर आपको meditation नहीं आती है और कुछ भी नहीं आता है, just do Om chanting or maybe any mantra chanting. Like कुछ भी आप Om Namah Shivaya or maybe anything which you feel resonates with you, because at the end it is you who are suffering. क्योंकि लोग बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे ये कर लो, पर आपको किससे अच्छा लग रहा है. And then Brahmari Pranayam. Brahmari Pranayam can be done anywhere, anytime. ठीक है, you might do before sleeping or when you wake up. तो उससे क्या है, since it's like a bee वाला क्या बोलते humming pranayam, so it's directly connects to your central nervous system and you really feel calmer after it. Like generally, but you have to do like I say 4-5 like minutes stuck. We can try it also if you want.
Yeah,
it.
I want. But the one thing that you told me, even I was not aware of it, because I have also seen a lot of people in the park or who are sitting outside their office. They are sorry, not office, outside their houses. So they used to keep that Kapal Bhati and
Yeah, and you know, so I'll tell you there are two types of pranayam: heating and cooling pranayams. And heating are they like which I told Kapal Bharti and Bhastrika, they generate a lot of heat in the body. So एक बार मैं बस से आई थी, like one of the women who was again a yoga teacher herself, but we you know हम पढ़ते कि क्या ही हो जाएगा इससे ज़्यादा.
Right.
So she told me that she was pregnant and she knew कि ऐसे पढ़ा भी है and like उनके teachers वगैरह गुरु ने भी बोला कि don't do it, but she did and she had a miscarriage.
oh.
Yes, and my own friend क्या बोलते is suffering from anxiety and जब उसको होता था तो she would do this, and when I told her कि भाई ये नहीं करते हैं इसमें, that's why she told her experience also कि this aggravates her anxiousness more.
Yeah, because what we think as somebody who doesn't know a lot about yoga, that it's a pranayam and it's gonna benefit us only.
Yeah, that
Nobody
is-
told us about the timings. Like if you are feeling this way, you should practice this. If you are feeling that way, you should practice that.
I know, that is what I am saying कि लोगों को जब सोडनेस या क्रैम्प्स आ जाते हैं ना बॉडी में, they get afraid कि अब नहीं करना है ये, नहीं यार विल टेक अ ब्रेक, कुछ गलत ना हो जाए कुछ ऐसे. बट इट्स जस्ट ब्रीदिंग ना, आपको लगा आप बस इनहेल एक्सेल लग रहे, बट दैट इज व्हाट ना योगा में बोलते हैं कि ब्रीदिंग, द ब्रेथ इज द पावरफुल थिंग ओनली. तो हाउ कैन वी अंडर एस्टिमेट इट?
Yeah, that's correct. So let's do these two things now. You told us
The-
Kapalbhati and Brahmari Pranayam.
Brahmari Pranayam. So Kapal Bharti, so also pranayam is supposed to be done empty stomach in the morning only. And we can do Brahmari, okay? So for Brahmari, what you do is, you sit still, you want to lie, okay? First I'll explain. तो आप सांस लेते हो, so whenever you inhale from the nose, और जब आप exhale करोगे ना, exhaling के साथ you will do a humming sound. But remember, आप जितनी सांस लोगे ना, उतनी exhalation में उतनी ही humming sound निकलेगी, खुद से नहीं आपने करना. Basically now it will help you with your breathing also. जैसे किसी किसी की लंग कैपेसिटी साइंस नहीं होती है, तो आप सांस ले तो लेते हो, बट एक्सहेलेशन इज नॉट गुड. सो इनहेल एंड ऑन एक्सहेलेशन so basically it is done. We'll take our thumb and we close our earlobes with the thumb, and then we make this mudra and we'll inhale from the nose तो आप देख रहे हो.
Sorry. So we need to like
Close
press
eye.
our nostrils as
No,
well.
no,
or
no,
like-
no. Just keep your hands like this. Close your eyes and earlobes को बंद करेंगे. I'll just give you the command and then you do it. ठीक है? मैं आपको कमांड देती हूँ और आप करके ट्राई करना. अपने earlobes को बंद कर दो. अब
So then I won't be able to hear you. Like,
नो नो अब मेरी आवाज आ जाएगी. ठीक है. इनहेल फ्रॉम योर नोज, अपने पेट को बाहर करेगा, एक्सपैंड, एंड ऑन एक्सहेलेशन हमिंग साउंड. Yeah, so you keep on doing it. You want to lie, don't want to keep your hands like this. You can still do it. तो आपने देखा होगा आपको अपनी यहाँ वाइब्रेशंस फील हो रही होगी ईयर के पास और इधर भी. तो व्हेन यू कीप ऑन डूइंग इट एटलीस्ट फॉर अ मिनट, तो आपकी हमिंग भी बहुत ही वो हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है. बिकॉज द मोर यू विल प्रैक्टिस द मोर इनहेल यू विल डू विद द एयर, है ना, और एक्सहेलेशन भी बड़ी हो जाएगी. ना वैसे इट्स ऑल्सो गोना गेट बेटर.
nice. I really felt better. I don't know. Maybe you told me so many good things, but yeah, I will also try to do it every day.
So now I have like a lot of questions for you as well.
Okay.
So since आपने भी anxiousness and all की बात करी थी, mental health and all, so like did you suffer from any of this? And if yes, how did you got through this? Or anything that you want to share?
So basically, I can say that every day there is a moment when I go through this, because I interact with a lot of people,
100%.
and it's not that people are bad, but yeah, some situations are like which
Energies.
make us very anxious. So yeah, I suffer from it every day.
Yeah.
Some days are fine, but yeah, most of the days are not. And at that time, maybe to be very honest, sometime earlier I used to lose my temper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to ask something. I don't know if you have noticed, क्या आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं नोटिस करा है कि अगर आप कभी stressed हो या anxious हो, maybe you're getting any pain, maybe in your, I don't know, like in your neck, or maybe you feel tight with your hips, or any gut problem, or anything, maybe in your health.
Not exactly. I mean, I don't get any physical pain because of this, but I get stressed. I get stressed a lot, and so basically one thing. So couple of years ago, it used to be there was a pattern that I get anxious. Probably I will shout on somebody who's responsible for that thing. Probably, and if I control that thing, I will get more anxious if I try
If
to.
you don't open
if
up.
if I don't say anything, and but so this problem I shared with somebody as well, and then they told me same thing that you told me, that you should do mantra chanting and
Yes.
all. So then I started doing that, and my life is much better than that, but I
Yeah.
cannot say that I got rid of it.
Nobody. So what लोगों को क्या लगता है? I'm a yoga teacher. I must be calm. No, I yell a lot. I scream a lot. I'm still a lot very hyperactive. I get irritated very easily too. And वो होता है ना कि आप योगा टीचर हो तो आप ऐसे हो गए, ऐसा नहीं होता. At the end we are all humans and we're supposed to feel the emotions. तो मुझे लगता है emotions ऐसे suppress नहीं करना होता है. I also do that. ठीक है, तो like what I have learned and like experienced myself is, like in our body, the hip part stores, like which is called the Mooladhara chakra, it stores a lot of stress, anxiousness, a lot of like all the negative energies of our body.
Right.
So since you have not done like yoga, ऐसा आपको जरूरी नहीं है you might get pain or not, but if you will do it, and I've seen with the proper breath work technique and then doing it, I've seen a lot of people crying as well. It is there, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and if you see also कि जैसे if you talk about any pose as well, of course it is related to your anatomy, body structure, and how physically movable you are, वो भी एक factor होता है, but ये भी एक factor है, and research papers and all में लिखा गया है. So अगर आपने देखा होगा, some women who are maybe like if they have any bad relationship, marriage or anything, which do not feel more protected from their partners or anything, they are like really tight from their hips.
Okay.
Yes, because all the
Negativity.
trauma and everything is stored here.
Hmm.
Yes. people get a lot of gut issues also. I get a lot of gut issues. I like I mean like I feel it like, you know. So I don't feel like that anxiousness and palpitations, you know, like what people. So my is like कि अगर मुझे stress या कुछ हो रहा होता है, my gut instantly starts reacting up. Of course, I'm like sensitive to a lot of food items and all as well. ये भी एक factor है जो मैं कह रही हूँ, जैसे anatomy भी है इसमें, but this is also the case.
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much. So this podcast taught me a lot personally, and it was so nice learning so many things from your side. One question, last question, I promise. So, because you teach yoga to people from other countries as well, which country do you think is more, accepting to this thing? Like they want more. More of yoga practices and all. Like people are from which country? Generally, where do you get invited more frequently?
So I'm not got went outside India, but I have a lot of people coming to my studio when they visit Shimla. They want to do yoga, or anyone globally. I've taught. So like I've taught people I've taught people from Germany, Israel, and all their experience. They're like very keen to do it. What I have seen is people here are exactly what you talked about. उनको नहीं करनी है योगा. वो योगा को सोचते it is stretching. It is not stretching.
Right.
This irritates me so much. Because जब आप बात करते हो तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ ना कि आपको वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी दिखती है, पर आपको वो नहीं दिखता कि इसमें कितना कोर स्ट्रेंथ, कितना ज़्यादा आपको लाइक आर्म स्ट्रेंथ, सब कुछ कितना ज़्यादा. इट्स लाइक स्ट्रेंथ एंड मोबिलिटी एंड देन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. But there people do it so much. They're like so keen to learn about it. That's why जब आप देखते हो a lot of foreigners like our soul, you know, want to learn about our Hindu culture and all. हम इतना worship भी नहीं करते हो कि जितना they want to do it. So they are very curious. They practice it a lot. That's why एक इनका वो है कि भाई we want to learn it from India, from an Indian teacher, because it is originated from here and people don't know it. I'm not saying कि मुझे बहुत आता है, बट बहुत सारी चीजें जो आप ऑनलाइन देख रहे हो वो नहीं है वैसे. सम थिंग्स आर जस्ट गोइंग इट फॉर व्यूज ऑन इंटरनेट.
So it is very important to learn from the right resource.
Yeah, learn up. It's like, of course, for if somebody comes, they have to trust me blindly. तो जो मैं बताऊंगी वही सही होएगा. But at the end, you have your brains. अगर आपको कोई Instagram पे रील मिल रही है, you do these 3 asanas for your hair. It doesn't happen like that. Like you know it. So yeah, I don't know. I'm like not demeaning any creator or anything, but you have to use your brain at the end of the day.
Okay, thank you so much for this enlightening session, I would say, because I
Thank
also
you.
learned a lot.
Thank you. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, and you're from Shimla.
Yes, I'm
So
from Shimla.
anything about that beautiful place?
100%. So I love Shimla. So I have done my college from Patiala. And you know, Jessie, when you go out, पहले ऐसा होता था कि I want to leave Shimla, I want to leave Shimla, I want to go out somewhere else. But as soon as you leave it, then you feel it is so peaceful. The people there are so peaceful.
Right.
Like it's called the Dev Bhumi, right? And with all that, so I am a Punjabi, but born and brought up and settled there.
Right.
So still, I love the culture, the Pahadi root culture there, and I have been more connected to the place when I left the town and went for my higher studies. But yeah, it has so much peace, and the people there are like so grounded, like so peaceful and calm. तभी मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, which I've never found anywhere.
Okay. Okay, Muskan, thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.